Uganda People's Defense Forces, together with the Uganda Police Force and other security entities, are prepared to celebrate the 43rd Tarehe Sita anniversary scheduled to take place on the 6th of February at Busesa-Bugwere district in Busoga region as they give back to the communities. Different government officials, members of parliament, traders, bankers, together with the UPDF and security agencies today, have gathered at the UPDF headquarters in Mbuya to launch the 43rd Tarehe Sita week, which was officially opened by the chief guest, the Right Honorable Robinah Nabbanja, the Prime Minister of Uganda. This launch started with the planting of trees at the UPDF headquarters to preserve the environment. During the Prime Minister's speech, she thanked the UPDF for the preserving and defending sovereignty and territorial integrity of Uganda, fostering harmony and understanding between defense forces and civilians.
Productive activities for the development of Uganda. The participation of UPDF in the national development projects is in line with its constitutional mandate. The ongoing participation of UPDF Engineering Brigade in the building of infrastructure projects for ministries, departments, and agencies shows the long strides the force has taken in the direction of being a productive force.
She added that special gratitude needs to be paid to the revolutionists and the strategic partners, civilian population, for the great contributions made during the years of struggle, as she recommended UPDF for the creating peace and stability in the country.
It is because of this stability that the people can now travel from Koboko to Kotido, from Busia to Kisoro, from Kampala to Kakumiro. To do their own businesses in a day without any disruptions. As His Excellency, the President, has noted, this is the first time in the 500 years this has become possible. It is also the first time that Ugandans have an armed force that opposes the spirit of parasitism.
General Wilson Basumbadi, the Chief of Defense Forces of the UPDF, emphasized that the promotion of social and economic transformation aligns with the principles of peace, unity and security for the betterment and progress of all Ugandans.
Because like I told you, nothing done outside the interests of Ugandans can endure any test, because they are our strategic partners. Struggle for unity, because united, they say, we stand. And the best way to predict the future is to create it with the population.
They have also revealed that the Defense Force has achieved so many goals in form of the projects, such as building schools, hospitals for the soldiers and communities, carrying out agriculture for the development of the country.
In Mayuge district, which is the part of the trail of Ronasa activities, we offered a monumental market for women and youth at Bugade Town Council in memory of the Ronasa veterans.
However, as the country is awaiting to celebrate the Liberation Day, members of the parliament have called upon most of the people in Busoga to attend the event as they celebrate the achievements and the journey of NRM party and NRA to liberate the country.
Liberation Day eriye wachitaka eya NRM tulikubeeta mwide tuwagire ekibina kyaife kitukumye myaka gino jona.
You are all invited to come. His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is going to be is the chief guest